channel. Today, y'all, I want to take y'all on a tour of my laundry room. I've done a makeover of it, and I wanted to show you all how it looks. So y'all, come on, let's go in. Okay, y'all, I am so in love with these colors. I'm in love with how everything turned out. I just am amazed at, you know, how you can take something that's so cheap and then just make it into something so glam and so beautiful. So I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm gonna take y'all on a tour, okay? So of course, these are my brooms and mops and stuff that I hardly ever use. No, I'm just kidding. And these are the curtains. I made these little tie backs from embroidery hoops and dowels that I purchased from Walmart. And I'm working on this little thingamajig right here. So have to sand that down. And I bought this, I used this little door pull to hang this little, you know, I guess decor or whatever on there. I bought this a long time ago, y'all, and I kind of went from that color to get this. This is what started it all. Yeah. So I took these storage cubes that I purchased from Walmart, and I put on the top shelf because these are the ones that are, you know, all of my stuff that I bundle, like dryer sheets, all that kind of stuff, I put up there. And this vase is a vase that I had a long time ago. And I decided I was gonna put it in here. Now this came from Amazon, Laundry Today or Naked Tomorrow. It came from Amazon, and I think it was probably about like $10, $15 maybe, I don't know. Okay, so these little baskets, I purchased them from a store, a local store, DD's. And what I put in here is like my steamer for my clothes and stuff, because I don't iron anymore. I use the dryer, and my uniforms for work and stuff like that, I just use the dryer for that. I keep cleaning items in here, and this, y'all, is so cute. This is kind of like the focal point of my laundry room. I love this. I just used those little letters that came from Walmart and labeled them like that. It was easier for me, so I did. I have the dryer balls, bleach, and I use bleach tablets. I ordered them off of Amazon. I like them better. It's less cleanup. It doesn't smell as loud. You know, I like it. And then I have the Tide Pods and the scent beads that I, you know, use or whatever. So I keep, like I said, I keep the extras up there so that I can refill all of this right here. So this laundry little thingamajig, little picture, whatever, I painted that. I saw it was a small little shadow box at Dollar Tree, and I just used some acrylic paint to paint that. Oh, yeah, those are the knobs, the door pulls or whatever I put on top of there too. And I got these little jars from Family Dollar. Forgot about that. This lint little bin or whatever, I got this lint bin from Amazon, and I think it was like $13 or something like that. This little, this is like so cute to me, y'all. And it says, check your pockets, finders keepers. So of course, y'all know I painted this because it's not painted perfectly, but I painted this on here. But I found this shadow box piggy bank at Walmart, and I just had to have it. I thought it would be great in here because we hardly check our pants to see if we have change. And every time I find change, I either sit it on the counter or something like that. Now I have a place to put it. So that's where I will be putting all of my change or whatever when I find it in the washer and dryer. Okay, so the I saw these on Etsy, y'all. They're selling them on Etsy, but if you have a Cricut machine, you can make it on your Cricut machine, and that's what these were made from on there. But I love the color, so I just went with it, y'all. I just went with that color because I love that color. Then we got this cute little rug. It says laundry room for same day service, do it yourself. And that's exactly what's going to happen. The only way you're going to get your laundry is you do it yourself, because I don't do laundry like that. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all for watching. I love this, and I hope you all love it too. And I hope I could have been some inspiration for y'all today on y'all laundry room. So let's get another good look of it, good tour of it.